Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Today we're going to be reviewing the L'BRISE, I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but the L'BRISE Paris hairstyler. So this one is something that I've been seeing a lot on Instagram. I don't think it's widely as popular as like Shark or Dyson, but I've noticed a few hair salons using it and it sparked my interest, especially considering I did just recently get the Dyson Air Straight, and I was curious about the Air Wrap, but I didn't want to spend all that money. So I kind of bargained myself into this little bit of a deal of getting myself this treat and the Air Straight. So I thought I'd bring you along the way, of course. According to their website, they're the world's first titanium hair styler using Coanda effect, which is supposed to not be damaging to your hair. So that's always a plus, right? 3 perks I'd like to add is that it does ship free in the US, and so are the returns, also free. It has a 30-day return period where you can test it out and see if you like it, and there's a 12-month warranty. So testing this product out didn't seem like a bad idea. The price of this product is $329 at full price, but I always see it at $179, which is actually right now still $179, and that's what I bought it for. So make sure if you do decide to buy this, don't get it for $329. Just wait till there's a sale because it seems to be frequent. Good news, guys! I reached out to the company and was able to get you all $30 off your first purchase. So you can go to their website and with code ROSIE30, you will get $30 off your purchase. I'll also put the link below that'll take you directly to the website and automatically apply the $30 off. So I'm so excited that I could get these kind of deals for you guys. So Rosie30 for $30 off. Enjoy! Before my hair dries, I think we should unbox this baby. Yeah? Alright, so follow me down to the floor where I have all my supplies. It's supposed to have this like nice luxury gift box packaging, so we're gonna be delicate. Bear with me. I love fancy packaging. It makes everything better. Okay, here it is. Beautiful, like foil. Wow, so it definitely gives you Dyson vibes, am I right? So this is a blow dryer, and then there's 2 barrels that we can switch out. So we're gonna test those out, but let's pull it out. So right off the bat, everything seems like nice quality, but not super heavy, super light, which is great. We got 2 barrels to work with here. You know what seems pretty cool too is the Dyson Air Straight has such a heavy cord. This is nice and light. It's so pretty. It is very lightweight. I like that. And nice to look at, right? Oh, how fun. It comes with 2 clips, which is pretty. And so you don't burn yourself, a glove. Ooh, fun. Okay, let's plug her in. Okay, before my hair gets dry, I wanted to point out it has 3 heat speeds and it has a cold shot, so to kind of lock in a curl, and on and off switch. And then we obviously will detach this and pop in the barrels, or you can blow dry with this or blow dry with that. So let's just test it out. We're gonna kind of just dry the roots a little bit. Now before I do get started, I did put my Olaplex number 6 in, which is my bond smoother, because I do have color treated hair and I need to take as much care of it as possible. Even though it says like it's not bad for your hair, I always still prefer to put in a heat treatment, a heat guard, if I should call it. And then at the end, we're gonna go in when we're done with our oils, which we'll talk about. So let's just test this out. We're gonna turn it on. So you have to press up to make it warmer or colder. Now it's pretty hot, that's the warmest setting. So we're just gonna blow dry our roots to get some volume. Okay. I think that's good enough. All right, so I'm going to switch out to a barrel now. So I think I'm gonna go with a bigger one. They kind of seem to be the same size. Are they the same size? Let me find out. Okay, so I was right. These are the same size. So it doesn't like blatantly say it, but one is side right and one is side left. So I do know with the Air Wrap, there's like a little bit of a knob that you switch to make it go the opposite direction for when you do curl. So that's good to know. I wasn't aware of that. All right, so it says it should take like 3 to 8 seconds for each curl. So let's find out. There's 2 buttons here that you press at the same time. Take it off. We're gonna start on the right. Let's see how that goes. All right, feels secure. All right, Hey guys, bear with me because I'm not a pro here, but let's turn it on. And if you're still watching, please subscribe at the end of this video. I love doing these videos for you and I love to do more. And by subscribing, I become monetized and I can really do more with this. So please, please, please subscribe. Okay, so let's turn it on. So I have the right barrel on and this is my left side. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cold shot. Wow, look at that. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a few more and then we'll speed up this video. We're gonna do another spot here. And then I have my glove on so I don't burn myself. Turn on my heat and cool shot. Set that curl. Oh, that's so pretty. Honestly, I don't think I need the glove. It's kind of bothering me. All right, let's speed up this video. Okay, there's one side done. What do we think? Oh my gosh, and it feels so light and airy, just feathery. You know, I always hate that barrel feeling. The only complaint I have so far is it's kind of tricky to get the cool shot for that last few seconds of your curl. So it's kind of confusing because I have to like figure out where it is. That's why I kept spinning it. All right, let's finish this hair and speed up the video again. So now we have to switch out the barrel. So I do recommend using the glove at this point because it's pretty hot. After all that time, initially it was okay. So you gotta squeeze and turn. There we go. And now, okay, we're ready. Well, that's not hot yet, but we can get this party started. Ready? And speed. Speed up video again. All right, that's all finally at the end. So I will say it was a little hard for me to do watching from the tiny little screen that is my phone. So I feel like if I was doing this in front of the mirror, I would have probably had an easier time finding my pieces. But wow, look at this va-va-voom. Oh my gosh. Now, do we like it? I actually love that it feels like I just got a blowout and I didn't have to pay for a blowout to do it and I could do it at home. And all in all, it took me, I think while I was talking and all that, about like 6 minutes to do my hair, which is not bad. So that's me recording myself. So I think that if I was just me doing it on my own, it would be like pretty quick, 5 minutes even. So, but I have like medium coarseness of hair. I don't have it too thin or too thick. It's kind of in the middle. So keep that in mind. Now, do I think this is worth it? I think it is. I mean, for the price point, you can't beat it. Like, how much does a T3 curling iron cost? Like, this is gonna be pretty comparable, I'm sure, in price. Honestly, get it, because I'm someone who does my hair every day. So for me, it makes sense. Like, if you're gonna do your hair every day, you go to work, you have a job where you kind of need to like present yourself nicer or whatever it is, and you have to put, you know, maybe heat products on your hair often, this is a perfect replacement. This is gonna be better at price point than anything else on the market currently. currently that I've seen, or at least comparable to, but it's definitely gonna be Dyson pricing. So, but I do like it. You know, con would be that I do find it kind of annoying that I have to switch the barrel out, because I do know that the Airwrap has that switch feature on top, but is it worth like another $400 or $500 to get? No, it's not. So for that price point, I'll deal with switching out my barrel, but something to think about, you know, if maybe you have like a lot of hair and you want that little extra time saver, then maybe consider the Dyson Airwrap. But this is great. Pretty sure Shark has something similar on the market too, but I do like it. I love how fancy it feels too. It's like Parisian, and yeah, I like how lightweight it is as well, because my hand gets so tired when I do my hair, especially when I try to blow dry it and style with my blow dryer. I end up cramping and I can't even finish the other side. So this is a great alternative solution and a good price point. Every great hairstyle needs to be finished with a little bit of oil. So again, I am not a hairstylist, but I do need my hair oil. I mentioned in my Dyson video when I went to get my hair done for a wedding in Italy years ago, they told me you have to always finish your hair no matter what with a little bit of oil. So I'm using today the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. So I usually just do a little bit like that. You see it? Really get it in there so it's not, so you can disperse it a little bit better. And I remember my very Italian male hairstylist just felt out of a movie, was like, go like this. Get that little bit of a wet look at the bottom. Not oily, but wet. And I was like, okay, I like that. And that's it. Alright guys, so that is the L'BRISE Hairstyler. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I'm gonna go ahead and link this product and any product I used in today's video in the description box below. I do receive a small commission of the sale, but no, this video is not sponsored. But purchasing from the links in my description box does help with my content creator life. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them in the comments below. Thank you again, and I'll see you at next week's video. Ciao.